Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a deep clean with me video of my fridge and freezer for you guys. Believe me, I know how hard it is to stay indoors as much as possible and be motivated to get up and clean up of all things. But I know just trying a little something every day, even if the task has you taking multiple breaks. It's not a race. Just set a goal and try your best to stick to it. And I know in the end, you'll feel much better about it. Okay, here I had to ask Mr. Wonderful for his help because I swear these drawers only work for him. Uh, I bet he got this rigged like Mr. had that mailbox rigged for Miss Celie in The Color Purple. Okay, I am doing a little bit of recycling here with these baskets. The one that I just about dropped there is one that I've already had, but these two I'm separating. I just got from Dollar Tree. They are no longer the same size apparently. But that's okay. I'd rather have the deeper ones anyway. And then the two long containers here I've already had as well. They were holding my spices in the cabinet, but now I found a new home for them, so they're gonna go in my fridge for $2.99 at Ross. Real life, right? Yep, I had to add a little juice to this wonderful concoction my husband made me. I have never been so excited to cook in my entire adult life. Do you hear me? I actually considered the cooking a break. I felt like, that burst of energy when you at work and they yell lunchtime and you start speed walking to your car and you don't know where you got the energy from? Yeah, I was doing that and even had a happy dance. Made a happy plate. You want more? Okay, give me a plate. Okay, guys, I have to make a quick apology for the door of the refrigerator, where all of my condiments are. You will see at the end of the video that it did everything in there got faced and everything, but I just want to jump in and apologize for the missing footage. fridge and freezer out about wore me out. But we got it all done. I really enjoy creating these real life motivational cleaning videos for you guys, and I must say I'm a little proud of myself right now. Today's accomplishments, and I mean it's not quite over for the day. I still have my kitchen to finish, to put the dry foods away, but I still made it a productive day. So I just want to thank you all for coming to hang out at my place, and I want to give a big shout out to all those who've watched my videos, who've watched them, who've liked them, who's commented and been polite. Thank you so much, and I really do appreciate you. And to all my new friends, please subscribe to my channel to see more cleaning motivation videos. Thanks so much for watching.